Hi guys, what's up? Tim Queen here, and today we're going to talk about how you can use the pronounce your name feature on LinkedIn to put a personal sales message on your LinkedIn profile. Now, in order for us to do this, you need the mobile app for LinkedIn. It doesn't work on a desktop, it only works with your mobile app. So let's go over to my phone and I'll show you how you can record one. Step one, what you want to do is you want to go on the top left corner, click on your little small picture, and then you click on View Profile. Now you want to go over to the right side on the little pencil icon. You want to click on that, and then you want to see in the middle it says Add Name Pronunciation. So you're going to click on that, and what we're going to do is we're going to open up my computer, and you're just going to type in timer in Google, and it will open up this screen. And what you're going to do is you just click on the number. It will select 5 minutes as default. Just click on that and then type in 10. And this will give you a 10-second timer. What we're going to do is we're going to do a little trial and see how many words we can fit into 10 seconds, because 10 seconds is the maximum number of seconds that you can record for your name field. What I would recommend is the following structure. You're going to introduce your name. Then you're going to tell them something they want to achieve and how to get this, which should be your call to action. So in my case, we're going to go to my profile, and what I want them to take action on is to scroll down to the featured section and then click on the LinkedIn hashtag guide. So this is my message. What I'm going to tell them, I'm going to tell them my name. Then I'm going to tell them what they want to achieve, and then I'm going to ask them to scroll down and get into the featured section. So let's try this and see how this works. Hi, this is Tim Queen. Welcome to my LinkedIn profile. If you want to get more out of LinkedIn, scroll down to the featured section and click on my LinkedIn hashtag guide. And as you can see, that fits exactly into the 10 seconds window. So let's try this out by recording it directly onto my phone. If you find that you need 20 seconds, then you just have to sit down, try to write out your 10-second pitch and see if you can shorten it a little bit. You might have to skip some information, just make a simplified version in order to get this. Now, in order to record, you have to hold the button. Put your thumb on the microphone and then talk. And once you're done, let it go. You will see there is a little timer over here, which tells you exactly how many seconds you are recording. So let's give it a go. Hi, this is Tim Queen. Welcome to my LinkedIn profile. If you want to get more out of LinkedIn, scroll down to the featured section and click on my LinkedIn hashtag guide. Then we're going to play this and see how this sounds. Hi, this is Tim Queen. Welcome to my LinkedIn profile. If you want to get more out of LinkedIn, scroll down to the featured section and click on my LinkedIn hashtag guide. So that sounds good. Click on save. And there we are. Now you can see there is a little icon. When you press it, hi, this is Tim Queen. Welcome to my LinkedIn profile. If you want to get more out of LinkedIn, scroll down to the featured section and click on my LinkedIn hashtag guide. Awesome. And that's how easy you can use the pronounce your name feature to fit in a little sales message and direct people to take action on your profile. Some other ideas that you might want to do is you could tell them, hey, call me, and then you give them your phone number. Or you can say, send me an email, and then you quickly pitch in your email address. If you have a simple domain, that should work. And then just for keepsake, put it in your profile description and into your contact field as well to make sure that they don't miss it. You could also direct them to one of your recent posts. You could ask them to follow you, to connect with you. You could even qualify and say, hey, connect with me if you are this and want to achieve this result. So there's tons of ways how you can use that. Make sure that you always include your name so LinkedIn doesn't complain about you just making this a sales pitch, and you're good to go. Now, if you want to get more videos about LinkedIn marketing, make sure that you hit the subscribe button, turn the notification bell on, smash the like button. And if you want to dive really deep, also check out my LinkedIn Accelerator program, my complete A to Z system, how to use LinkedIn for business, how to generate leads, how to build a complete sales funnel, how to develop your LinkedIn content strategy. I'm going to put the link down in the description and into the pinned comment below. And I see you in the next one. Bye.